Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another hot day here in Benidorm. It's Friday not sure to be honest. I think it's Friday the 29th. Yeah, Friday the 29th of May. Got Cayman Beach there, looking busy. And when they say that the sunbeds are empty, what a load of rubbish. That person does not know what they are on about. As you can see, there's plenty of people on the sunbeds. And Tiki Beach, as always, is heaving. And then Stagman Corner. I don't know whether to be there, look like mad. But I've just had my picture took by a lass because her twin daughters love Benidorm and just love Madge. And this is the new area of Tiki Beach. And of course, we have got Stagman.
Stagman in the house today.
And
Thank
a
you.
lovely Santos and a wonderful Pete somewhere.
And Marcus here. Yeah, this is our boy.